This is the HP motherboard. The problem in this is it's not turning on. The customer told it's not turning on. And when you plug it in, there is no charging light also. It means it's not charging. See, there is no charging light also. When we plug it in, charging light is also not coming. Customer told it's not charging and it's not turning on. When we checked with then also it's not turning on. It's taking literally 0 amps. It's not even taking milliamps. So we opened the board to check it. You see, we'll check the voltages whether the at least charging voltage is passing onto the board or not. See, we connected the charger. Now we'll check whether the charging voltage which is 20 volt is coming inside board or not. We will check near the fuse first. At the fuse, we will see. Yeah, see, at the fuse 20 volt is coming. After fuse, MOSFETs will be there. So we have to check after the MOSFETs. See, after the MOSFET is zero point 0.9 volts. At the sensing resistor also zero point 0.9 volt. It's not 20 volt is not coming only. The MOSFET is not turned on at all. When the MOSFET is turned on, then only when the protection MOSFET is turned on, then only the 20 volts come onto the MOSFET. See, zero point 0.9 volt is coming. It protection MOSFET is not turned on. You see. So we'll check why 20 volt is not coming onto the board. Now you can see how much current is on the power supply. We connected charger. Now you can see on the power supply it's taking 0 volt, 0 amp, sorry, 0 amp it is taking. No charging light also. So we will go to the charging IC. Why it's not enabling the MOSFET? You see charging IC and MOSFETs are there. We will check the MOSFETs here on charging IC. Charging IC will generate 25 volt onto the MOSFET gate so that the MOSFET will turn on. This is the sensing resistor. It will sense how much current is going into the board. So from here to here, first we will check the connectivity. Sometimes in the board the connectivity fails. Because of that also the board won't turn on. So from here to here connectivity is fine. Here also it is fine. Here it shouldn't be. Here it is showing connectivity on this pin. So this pin is also showing continuity. It means one MOSFET failed. There is a MOSFET here. This MOSFET failed. This MOSFET. When this MOSFET fails, then only the third pin also gives continuity. See from here to here also giving continuity. So we will replace this MOSFET because this is the MOSFET fail. When we replace this MOSFET, then it should turn on. We don't have the exact MOSFET, but we have similar MOSFET. So we will replace it with similar MOSFET. We will use the hot air blower for removing this and replacing. And 90% of the cases when protection MOSFET fails, that is the time when the charging voltage won't come onto the motherboard and it won't turn on and it won't even charge the battery. And one more case is there when there is short circuit on the 19 volt rail, then also it will be the same kind. So in this case, only MOSFET failed. There is no short circuit on the board. See, we are replacing with another MOSFET. This is a old HP motherboard, and the charging IC is also of old model. Now latest motherboards are coming with a BQ24780 and 24781. This is this is old model 24386 something is there. See, we are replacing it now. And every laptop has two MOSFETs. One is for protection and one is for reverse voltage protection. One is for high voltage protection and one is for reverse voltage protection. Even if one MOSFET fails in those two, the laptop won't turn on. Laptop won't turn on means it won't charge the battery. When the battery dies, then the laptop will die. Yeah, we cleaned it now. Then we will check whether continuity is there or not. So these are the fuses for battery connector. So 19 volt trail short circuit is not there, so it's fine. Now I will check the continuity for these MOSFETs. Yeah, from here to here continuity is there. You see, we are checking the pins. This is the charging edge, right side one. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, now we will connect the charger and see. See, now it's taking point 0.9, 0.009 amps. It means the 9 milliamps it is taking. And we will try to turn on the board also. Initially it was 0 milliamps. Now we will see 20 volt is coming onto the board. We will try to turn on and see. This is the power connector. We'll try to turn on through manually. We don't have power connector. Power connector is in the laptop. So we will try to turn on with a tweezer or something. You see, you observe the power supply. Now current will increase gradually when the board turns on. See, now it became 200 milliamps. Yeah, it's turned on. Now we will assemble the laptop and see. First we will see whether how much voltage is coming onto the board. You see, we connected it. You see, when we connect the charger, see, charging light is coming now. White light is coming, see? Yeah. Now we will check the voltage. Yeah, see, on the sensing register 20 volt is coming. Initially it was coming zero point 0.9 volt. Now it is coming 20 volt. So board is fine now. At the MOSFET also you see 19 volt is coming. 19.98. So it's fine now. We will assemble the laptop and we will show you whether it is turning on or not. So it's assembled now. You see laptop is turned on.